صي. This is صي but with ياء. صي. يشرب خالد. Why خالد مرفوع? Because it's a subject. He's drinking what? يشرب ماذا or ماذا يشرب. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Another video in using different letters to make a word, and then we use that word in making a sentence, and then of course the translation of that sentence. So what if we connect الياء, الشين, الراء and الباء. يشرب. يشرب. Repeat. يشرب. Good. يشرب. Excellent. Now we connect these letters. Ya, sh. So there is no tail here. We don't write this tail. Ra, it's normal. Bu. يشرب. الشكل يشرب. يشرب. What does mean, or what does يشرب mean? It is to. I will not finish it until you give me. Yes, يشرب, the verb to. For example, أنا أشرب عصيرا, a juice. So what do we do for the juice? Do we eat it? Yes, we drink it. So يشرب, the verb to drink. The verb to drink. هو يشرب. أنا أشرب. أنت تشرب. أنت تشربين. أنتما تشربان. هو يشرب. هي تشرب. هما يشربان. هم يشربون. هن يشربن. نحن نشرب. أنتم تشربون. أنتن تشربن. Right. So we write a sentence here and we use the verb يشرب. So can you suggest me a sentence? Okay. We write, for example, يشرب. How can we say in Arabic, for example, Khalid is drinking a juice. Khalid is drinking a juice. Yeah, in Arabic we say, we don't start, of course, with Khalid, the subject. We start with the verb, يشرب. Okay? In Arabic, we always start with the verb. We can start with the subject, Khalid, or Muhammad, or he, or I. Okay? But if we start with the subject, that would be just to emphasize on it, to show that it's Khalid who has drunk the juice, not Muhammad or Ahmed. Okay? Right. So, يشرب. يشرب. خالد. عصيرا. full stop. نقطة. يشرب خالد عصيرا. and الشكل يا with فتحة, of course. ش ر بو. يشرب خالد. خا. So this is خ. خ. But with alif. خا. لي. دن. يشرب خالد صي صي, this is صي but with ya. صي عصيرا, this is تنوين. Two فتحات, or when we have two ضمات or two كسرات, that is تنوين. عصيرا. So in تنوين we pronounce noon but we don't write it. عصير عصير عصيرا عصير. Okay. عندي عصير. شربت, I drank in the past. شربت أنا عصيرا. أمسكت, I hold. أمسكت بعصير. Okay. When we have a noun after a preposition, حرف جر, like be. Even in Arabic we have prepositions, okay? Be. So be, and then al-ain will become like this, of course. بعصير. أمسكت بعصير. So عصير, عصيرا, عصير, all of them we pronounce noon ساكنة. We pronounce it, but we don't write it. We don't write it, okay? Look. Even here, عصيرا, we don't write it. Great. Now, we're going to translate it into English. Of course, in English, we start with the subject. This is the subject. الفاعل. And this is the object المفعول به. And this is the verb الفعل. فعل, فاعل, مفعول به. In English, we start with subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Right? And always the subject in Arabic should be مرفوع. So the last letter should be مرفوع. It should have ضمة. And for objects, it should always be مفتوح. ضمة or two ضمات, فتحة or two فتحات, okay? This is a rule. So bear it in mind, this is a very important rule that should be taken into consideration. Or let's say it's a basic rule in Arabic grammar. How should the subject be? كيف يكون الفاعل? And how should the object be? كيف يكون المفعول به? We don't say يشرب خالد عصير. That's incorrect. Or يشرب خالدا عصيرا. No. يشرب خالد. Why خالد مرفوع? Because it's a subject. فاعل. And why عصيرا? Because it's an object. مفعول به. Right? I'm trying to repeat again and again the information so that, of course, I make it easier for you to memorize. Okay. So we start with the subject. Khalid. Khalid, what is he doing? ماذا يفعل? يشرب. He is drinking. Is drinking. Is drinking what? يشرب ماذا? Or ماذا يشرب? Or ماذا يشرب خالد? What is Khalid drinking? Khalid is drinking a juice. عصيرا. A juice. Khalid is drinking a juice. So look here, in English, the indefinite article, we either use a or an, but in English, in Arabic, we don't use anything. Okay? We don't use anything. We just omit al-alif wal-lam, which is the definite article. Okay, thanks for watching all the video. I hope that everything was clear for you. If you don't understand something, you can ask me in the comments. And even I would like to thank you so much for your beautiful comments, and much love and respect. See you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.